Alright guys, once again, so today, rather tonight, we'll be looking at this amplifier. It is one of those old schools class AB amplifiers. It's a 600 watt 4 channel. If you're seeing that, 600 watt 4 channel amplifier, and the brand is Audiovox. So it's an Audiovox, as you can see there. So here's the story now. I was driving and playing the amplifier, enjoying my music, and I saw smoke coming from the back. This amplifier is mounted to my double coil 10-inch subwoofers. I have 2 of them. Yeah, so I started seeing smoke. Instantly I got out of the car. I thought the car was burning up, so I got out and I removed the negative terminal from the battery. That's the car battery, and I also removed the positive terminal that leads to the amplifier. Right, so now, having this amplifier pulled down in front of me, I can see what had gone bad in it. So it's this film capacitor right here. You can see it. If you're seeing it, it's a film capacitor. Trying to get some light on this video. So yeah, so it's that film capacitor right there. That's the one that is bad, and you can see, hold on, let me try get a better video angle. Alright, so yeah, much better. Alright, so once again, it's this film capacitor right there. As you can see, it's burnt. Yeah, see the top of it protruded. So it's a J100 volt film capacitor, just as these right here. So these one right here are the same thing. You see, it is the same J100. So I'm gonna go to my local electronics store. I'm gonna bring this part number with me and see if I can get a replacement, and I'll get back with a video update or a comment whether I get it resolved. So I'm gonna fire up the soldering iron and remove this capacitor, this film capacitor, and I'm gonna yeah, should be okay after then. Alright guys, thank you.